This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Roblox. You do not have permission to join this experience problem. If you are facing this problem, follow this step-by-step guide to fix it. Open your Roblox and click on this gear icon and click on settings. Once you are in settings page, select privacy. Scroll down and here you will get this option, who can make me a member of their private server. You have to select here everyone, and after selecting everyone, relaunch your browser, reopen Roblox and then relaunch the game, and it should fix the error. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.